In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with GitHub so you can connect your project management with your development workflow seamlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. To get started, log into your Jira account and open the project you want to integrate with GitHub. Once you're inside your project, look at the top section of the screen where your project name is displayed. Right next to it, you'll see a small three-dot menu. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Project Settings. This is where you can control and customize how your Jira project works. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different options. Scroll through this list and look for Tool Chain. This section is specifically designed for integrations and connecting Jira with other tools. Once you're inside the toolchain section, find the option called GitHub for Atlassian. This is the official integration that allows Jira and GitHub to work together. When you see it, click on the Install button to begin the setup process. After clicking Install, Jira will guide you through a few steps to connect your GitHub account. This usually involves signing into GitHub and granting permissions. Make sure to approve all the necessary access so both platforms can communicate properly. Once the connection is complete, your Jira and GitHub accounts will be linked. This means you'll be able to track commits, branches, and pull requests directly inside Jira. It also helps your team stay aligned because development activity becomes visible within your project tasks. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jira with GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple and practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.